Hi, I'm Michael Patti.
Hey, and I'm Carter Scarrett, and welcome to the Celebrity Chef Series provided by Joe Patti Seafood.
We're here to try to educate the public on how to cook seafood. We know that sometimes with the cost of what seafood is, it can be scary to try it for the first time. So we're bringing in chefs from around the area to be able to help to take away the fear and bring in the joy of cooking seafood in your home.
We hope you enjoy this series. It's going to be a lot of fun. We are excited to bring it to you. You can find all the recipes from every celebrity chef. It's going to be on our website, or you can follow the QR code provided on your screen right there.
Welcome back to Joe Patti's Celebrity Chef Cooking Series. I'm Josh Brown, your host from Beach Billy Lifestyle, and we're with the man, the myth, the legend, Chef Charlie. Chef, what we about to cook up, buddy?
Oh, we're gonna make a tuna nicoise salad. We're gonna sear it in the pan. We're gonna cook it just about a little bit over rare.
I got you. Well, tuna's one of those things that it's you don't want to cook it too much, right?
I've seen people do that, but
That's what I would do if I was trying to cook it. Now, is there an art to searing or cooking the tuna?
you want to make sure your pan's good at hot at first in the beginning. You don't want to put it into a cold pan, of course. Keep an eye on it and pay attention. A lot of people, when they say, oh, I'm going to cook dinner or whatever, they put stuff on the stovetop and then they go sit on the couch.
Yeah.
And they're not cooking. They're just,
Yeah.
doing whatever they call cooking.
So there's an art to the tuna.
Yeah.
Now, what are you doing right now? Just salt and pepper on
Just
it?
a little salt and pepper. I like to
Okay.
use sea salt, not kosher salt.
Yeah.
A little olive oil.
Just a little sprinkle.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Now, is this recipe inspired from something you created? Or?
No, it's a classic French dish, and there's many variations of it.
Yeah.
This is the one I like. If you don't have green beans, you can use asparagus.
Okay.
If you want to use sweet potatoes instead of red potatoes, you can do that. If you don't like eggs, don't put eggs in it.
Yeah.
That's the wonderful thing about food. It's it's all interpretive. There's
Yeah.
nothing like set in stone. It has to be that way, unless it's fried chicken and you're giving
There's
me
only one way to do that.
Yeah,
I hear you. This looks like that delicious tuna you can get here from Joe Patti's.
it absolutely is. And when I got here very early this morning, I was talking with the fishmongers, and they're like, "You pick out what you want, we'll cut it for you."
Oh, there you go.
So what we have here, Josh, is some Kalamata olives. I couldn't get Nice olives; it's just hard to find.
Yeah.
Some capers we're gonna put in here. We have some sliced tomatoes, some green beans,
Yes.
and some potatoes. Like I said, if you don't want to use green beans, you can use asparagus.
Make it your own, right?
Exactly. We're using a couple beautiful items from Joe Patti's Market. We have some marinated artichokes and some of their lemon herb dressing.
I love it.
So I tried to look at everything that we have in the market and how can I create recipes for guests to have a complete, easy shopping experience.
Let me open this up for you.
Yes, please.
Well, where's my wife?
Someone didn't have their oatmeal this morning.
Actually, I just want to show you the way to do that, to open up the jar. Chef has a special thing. It was something we pre-planned. I could actually open it up. But Chef was like, hey, act like you can't do it. Let me do it. Let me show the people. So, I oblige.
That's what we love about you.
Yeah.
So always shake the dressings up a little bit
Yes,
ahead
sir.
of time, because a lot of times it'll rise to the top and create like a little bit of a crust, if you will, or film. So I use a little bit of that dressing. And toss it. Season everything.
Again, you're just using salt and pepper. Nothing
Salt.
crazy.
Yep, nothing crazy.
Other than this cool sauce right here.
The only crazy thing here is me and you.
Yeah, I agree with that.
So then it's just really making it look as nice as you want it. You're cooking for yourself. There's a lot of times when I'm just cooking for myself at home. I really don't bother with making it look, you know, restaurant presentation wise. I just need to eat, you know. But if you're cooking for people you love,
having a dinner party.
Yep, we want to try and make it look as nice as you possibly can. We eat with our eyes first before we eat at all. So if it doesn't look good, it's going to be a hard sell for us to convince our brain that it's going to taste good.
Yes, sir.
This is designed for 2 people.
Yes, sir.
Or one very hungry person.
Yeah.
But if you see the fish has a nice rare look to it.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I do see that, yeah. Now, is this recipe in your awesome book here?
There is a version of it in there, yes. So I always hit this with a little bit of lemon, a little touch of olive oil, just to brighten, you know, the lemon brightens up the dressing that's already there.
Oh my gosh.
And the last ingredients.
It's almost like too pretty to eat, you know? Oh, you're right about the time on those eggs.
Yep, you have an egg like that, you'll never have a 10-minute egg again.
If we eat with our eyes, I've been eating this whole time because this looks amazing. Hey, and don't forget, you can get all this delicious food right here at Joe Patti Seafood Company in Pensacola, Florida. You ready to dig in?
Let's do it.
I'm gonna steal this and this.
You're a smart man.
Ooh, I like how you do that.
A
Cheers,
little
sir.
stack.
Yes, sir. Mmm.